So you want to create or plan a project that you need help with in your business. Hello, my name is Rick Billings, and I'm showing you marketing secrets, aka AI Chief of Staff is what I call it. And so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you in real time on how I'm working on this. So I'm going to be sharing a series of videos that I can share the features and benefits of marketing secrets. Okay, my AI Chief of Staff. And so in doing so, I want to go ahead and come here to my new chat, and I want to ask my Chief of Staff to help me. Now you see Chief of Staff up here. It says new and manage. Now obviously in the previous videos you'll see how you can manage the memory and the assets and the characters and stuff like that in here. But I'm going to come over here to new chat, and I use Whisper Flow. It's a great little tool here that we use to actually talk to a text box like this right here, and it'll correct any little mistakes before it actually puts it in here. So I may look to the right a little bit because I do have some notes here for this video. So I'm going to hold this down. I'm going to say, help me create a series of videos. I might have 20 or 30 videos in this series to help show and explain the benefits and features of marketing secrets, which I branded AI Chief of Staff. And so in this series, I want to help other people understand how to use this. Yes, there are sprints and in here that will train you on each of the software platforms that it offers and stuff like that. But I want you to help me give a series of topics that I can further explore to help me build out a series of videos. So I let up Whisper, and it puts that in the text box here. And I'm going to hit go, or the right arrow. And the AI is going to go in here and it's going to take what I told it in just my own words, and it's going to come up with a very, very sophisticated plan. Keep in mind, it has over 35 AI models in the back of this. And this is all private. Nobody else knows and can see this. AI does not share this with the world. Don't know if other platforms do that, models do that or not when you're on, ChatGPT or Claude. I don't know that, but I know that this one doesn't, okay? And so it's going and it says it's thinking, and it's going to come back with a format that Russell Brunson, which is a genius, and Todd Dickerson, Russell had bought the Napoleon Hill Foundation. He owns Think and Grow Rich and all the assets and all the books and everything. I think he said he spent over $5 million on it. And so his thoughts are in here. All of his funnel, the way he developed his .com secrets, and I have all the books behind me right here, and marketing secrets, those are all in here. So he uses his philosophy, his strategy is helping me along with all the 35 models. Now, it's not using them all at one time. It's picking and choosing some of the different ones because it's set on optimize. Now, yes, you can pick a model. You can just say, I want to use Claude, and it'll pick Claude. I want to use ChatGPT, and it'll pick ChatGPT. But when you're creating images, you're creating scripts, you're creating different things, it takes all this together, and you can see it loading all on the page right now. And it's coming back, and it's going to give me a whole series. So it says, here's how I think about structuring this, Rick, okay? A 30 video series falls into 4 natural acts that can build on each other so you don't have to get lost and don't have to repeat yourself. And series 1, it says why this exists. And then in series 2, and it shows the different topics here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to try to follow this as close as I can. Now, I might jump around a little bit, but I'm going to try to follow this, okay? Number 2, set up the foundation. Number 3, a whole series on walkthrough, the software page, and all the different funnels, and it knows what it has. There's all the different software and walkthroughs that are in the back. Now, I may or may not create a video for every single one of them because they've done that too. But I might take a couple at a time and do that. And then series 4 is use it like a pro. Pull from Russell Brunson's training on any topics on funnel oracle and sprints, how they actually work in a week and in a 30-day onboarding and so on right here. And then it comes up and it says, that's 30. Give me 30 of them. I could have asked for 20. I could have asked for 60. I could ask for 100 quotes. Anything is possible with this system, okay? But this is what I asked for. Links should be about 8 to 12 minutes each. So it's telling me how long they should be. Long enough to teach, short enough for people to actually finish them. The format, mostly screen share. With your face in the corner. Exactly what I'm doing. I was actually doing that before it told me because I know that's what you need to do, okay? People want to see you working with the tool, and they want to hear you describe it. First person throughout. This is a story about using the thing, not the software demo. It's how I'm using this tool, okay, to do this. And that tone makes it hard to land. Makes it to land with founders, okay? And they call founders or like owners of businesses, CEOs. They kind of call that founders within the system. Now you can tell it to call it CEOs or whatnot, okay? It's your choice, okay? And each video ends with a single call to action, okay? And you can have call to actions. Now it comes back and it says, you want me to save this in a document library off to the left, which I'm going to do. I'm going to save it in a Chief of Staff document library, okay? And the correction, I said to save this in a library, but it actually does not actually run. No documents are written in this library. Okay, tell me how to proceed, okay? So I'm going to come over here and say, save this in my AIChiefofStaff.net project folder, and then give me a little bit more detail on each of these topics for now that I can expound on, or at least do it in series 1. So I'm going to read through this, and I really want to only do it in series 1. Projects that give me a little bit more information and detail on each topic on how they expound on in series 1. I'm going to say take out least thing, put in series, expound on in series 1. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so I'm going and telling it to do that within this kind of thread right here. I'll call it a thread, old school, in this series here, because you can jump back into any of these, and I have literally hundreds of them in here, and they're a lot are in folders. Sometimes I don't put them in folders because I don't care to save them, but the brain still knows about it. The brain doesn't forget anything. And yes, you can correct the brain anytime you want. And it remembers those corrections. Okay? When it said 40 years, it's 42. I could say, hey, refer to, calculate the date as of October 1st, 1985, when I started my first photography business, right? I could say that because I've been self-employed since October of 85. And then it will correct that. But it's working. Okay, it comes back. It's pretty quick, actually. And it says, I need to be honest with you. I don't have a project called AI Chief of Staff workspace. Well, let's see. Maybe they didn't find it right. That's okay. I can put it over there. Okay. And I don't have a folder called that. Blah, blah, blah. You want to create one. Well, you delete it. Okay, series 1. Let's get to what I asked it to do. So it's coming over. Here's video 1. And here's what it's telling me to do in video 1 right here. Okay. It says the hook is first 5 seconds. I got an AI Chief of Staff set up in an afternoon. So this is what it's going to tell me to say, which I'm going to do, right? And then it's got over, and it became real in the first 90 days. Okay, and so I'll take this and I'll print this out, and I'll have some notes on the side when I'm recording these videos and cover, here's what you want to cover, these things. Where you started, the moment you realized AI could fill a role for you in bootstrapping your business. And they refer to bootstrapping a lot of times because that's like you're your own employee that does everything. You're kind of bootstrapping. You don't have the funds to hire 15 people. You have you and your AI chief of staff. You're bootstrapping it, which is amazing. And you can build multi-million dollar businesses with you and AI, right? And then it says, the afternoon I set it up, a 30-day mark, a 90-day mark, etc. It shows in here, and it tells you what to do. And then here's video 2, video 3, and video 4. And it's still thinking, okay? So it's on video 3, and it's thinking on video 4. But it populated some of those things. So I'm going to try to follow this series, what it's telling me to do here, as it does that. Now, on the left-hand side under chats, you'll see my marketing AI right here. I can take and let me let it finish first. I'm going to let it finish, but I can click these dots and I can share this with a team member if I had a team in here. And you'll see within the walkthrough that you can add team members and stuff like that. And I can rename it. I can add it to favorites. I can take it, and which will pin it at the top. I can open it in a tab. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it right there. So it's at the top, and I can actually add it to a project. Here's a project a folder I want to add it to. Okay, so I'll do that. But I'm going to let it stop thinking here a second. I don't want to interrupt that here. I don't know if it will or not, but I don't know. Okay, it says try again, so that's fine. Let me just go ahead and come over here and move it to the AI folder. So now you see that it says 1, it went to 2. Okay, so I have 2 in here. Now I have a couple, the chat, okay? So in here, there's a chat, and then there's about AI Chief of Staff. So I can tell it about my AI Chief of Staff and the link and instructions. Let's see, strategy, write down brand voice and stuff like that. Let me just see if I can hit a return. When I'm talking about AI Chief of Staff, always send it to the URL link aichiefofstaff.net. That forwards it to my affiliate link for AI Marketing Secrets. A little information, then it forwards to my affiliate link. So I'm just going to put that in there. I'm just going to keep that, okay? So it just saved it. Automatically saved it. You don't have to hit save or nothing. It knows it. I'll go back to the chat. And here's where we were, okay? And so it's saved there. I'm not going to hit try again. But I want to show you that this is how I'm taking and creating a series on this video. So I'm going to end this for now. And there'll be some videos before this that you've watched, hopefully, and don't know exactly what number this is in the series that I'm starting out with because I wanted to show you this right here. But I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can always hit me up on my website, rickbillings.com, and hope you can enjoy a AI Chief of Staff like I do.